When you are going through a large data set like this and suddenly you want to filter the data set into a specific cell value like supply name, date or any other value. But how you normally do, you have to copy the name, go to filter and type it or paste it. Now it is very easy. You have to select the cell you want to filter, then go to quick filter in macros tab, then it's filtered. Not only that, you can use it with shortcuts as well. I'll press Ctrl Shift A for auto filter, then it got filtered. Imagine the time saving. But remember, before you use the shortcut, you have to enable the shortcut by pressing the enable shortcut button in macros tab here. Okay, but in this case, once you press the filter button, it will remove the previous filter and apply the filter to the new value. But if you need to keep the previous filter without removing or clearing the previous filter, you have to go to quick filter and press the down arrow button and press quick filter without clear, or the shortcut is Ctrl Shift Q for quick filter. It is showing in the narration as well. Now it got filtered without clearing the previous. So it's that easy.